कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Namaste. Today's mudra is Vyana Mudra or Vyana Vayu Mudra. Sit comfortably and relaxed. Keep your back straight. This mudra is to be practiced with both the hands. Now, for practicing this mudra, join the tip of the thumb, index finger, and middle finger like this. Join the tip of the thumb, index finger, and middle finger, and apply slight pressure at the point of contact between the three fingers. Keep the remaining two fingers extended. So, this is Vyana Mudra. Now, place both the hands on the thighs with the palms facing upward. Vyana Vayu is one of the Vayus or pranic wind as per Ayurvedic anatomy. There are 5 such pranas or Vayus operating in the body. They are Pran, Apan, Vyan, Udan, and Saman. These 5 pranas or Vayus, they govern different areas of the body and different physical and subtle activities. The Vyana Vayu is situated in the heart and the lungs and flows throughout the entire body. It is involved in cardiac activity, circulation, and functioning of the voluntary nervous system. As the Van Vayu is associated with blood circulation, this particular mudra helps in normalizing blood pressure. Regular practice of this mudra is a panacea for high blood pressure. The practice of this mudra has therapeutic benefits for controlling both high blood pressure as well as low blood pressure. This mudra helps in reducing drowsiness and excessive sleep. Then excessive sweating, urination, thirst, and menorrhagia can also be overcome by regular practice of this mudra. In addition, this Vyana Vayu mudra helps in controlling diarrhea. Well, that's all for today. See you next week with a new mudra. Now, duration of practice of this mudra, I forgot to mention about it. 15 minutes twice a day or 30 minutes at a stretch. See you next week with a new mudra. In the meanwhile, subscribe to this channel and share it with your near and dear ones. Thank you.